Character Analysis. The Symposium written by Plato is a Roman philosophical view of the characters about the definition of love. In praising Eros, the Cupid, the god of love and the son of Aphrodite, each character of the gathering of Agathon's house will engage to share a speech, as what Eryximachus proposes in the crowd. The discussion was started by Phaedrus, who shared about the bravery of love, an act of sacrificing oneself for the lover, that justify his speech. Followed by Pausanias, who classified love into two types, the honorable, which love contains no secrets, and dishonorable, in which man only desires for bodily pleasure. The third speech was by the doctor Eryximachus, gave the yin and yang theory as an example to illustrate that love is found on the coexistence of the opposites and nature of harmony. Aristophanes also gave a speech of a mythical origin of love, that human was a union of two, but then punished for its violence, and divided by the gods. The sexes were originally three, were man and man, woman and woman, and man and woman, or as what we call it today, the male, female, and androgynous. Agathon gave the fifth speech. He defined love with courage, justice, moderation, and wisdom that is higher than the gods. Socrates, as the main character of the gathering, he began the topic by questioning the host Agathon about the quality of love and what a man can do for love. The latter was hooked by the philosophical ideas of Socrates. He illustrates love through the character of Diotima that he created, which represents Plato itself. He described Diotima as a wise woman who knows many things and gave a speech on which fulfilled through the ladder of love. It shows that from the appearance of one individual, a man can be intrigued and will be able to appreciate the beauty. The desire of the physical body will follow, and soon the moral beauty, and redirect the lover's attention to the beauty of knowledge. And the last stage is the form of beauty itself, or the virtue. According to Diotima, if one reaches the last step of the ladder, he or she will never be seduced by anything. The drunk Alcibiades made his way and gave the last speech, in which he praises Socrates for his wisdom and expresses feelings towards Socrates. He was the laughingstock of the crowd, and they began to excuse themselves one by one, leaving the drunk man. So, reading the symposium, I was encouraged to share my thoughts about Socrates' question. I know hearing these words that something in you awoken and thus catches your attention. Am I right? Well, the symposium gives us different views and ideas about the topic LOVE, or love. Though we have different perspective and interpretation about love, but we always have something in common, and that is we understand love as an appreciation of either opposite or same sex. The only thing that makes us unique and different is on how we express our feelings to the other and what we can do for our lover. You may agree or disagree with the character's idea, but we cannot deny that somehow there are things that was mentioned earlier that we can relate or have a basis in our life today. It may affect our understanding about the topic or may add as a knowledge, but all in all, it matters to the reader's point of view. So if you have questions or if you have questions or ideas about love, then why not share it to others? Maybe you can help someone change their life for good. So that's it for the character analysis. See you again. Bye bye.